Welcome to Factful Fridays. Today we will see few tips to maintain the vehicle tires. Rains can be refreshing, but they also pose challenges for the tires of your vehicle. Worn tires can struggle with traction on wet roads, increasing the risk of hydroplaning. Here are 5 steps you can follow to ensure safety on the road. Step 1. Get your tire tread depth checked. A deeper tread ensures better grip and prevents hydroplaning on wet roads. Step 2. Get your car's tire pressure checked. Underinflated tire can increase the risk of puncture or damage. Step 3. Ensure your car's tires are properly aligned and balanced. Misalignment can cause uneven wear and poor handling. Step 4. Get your car's tires inspected for any visible damage like cracks or cuts. Step 5. Use Maruti Suzuki authorized tires for optimal performance. With well-maintained tires, you can drive confidently and safely on roads. For any issues or queries related to your car tires, visit your nearest Maruti Suzuki Service Center.